Hey projectors, welcome back to Project Finance, and today's video we're going to go over week 30 of Dividend Challenge. We're finally at 30. It's a crazy journey we've been so far, but we're almost there to the end. You guys know the Dividend Challenge is where I invest $200 every week, no matter how good or bad the market is, with the goal of reaching 20,000 by the end of the year. Reaching really close to the end of the year, about 5 more weeks to the end of the year, and I guess we'll see what's going to happen in today's video. And if you guys are new to the channel, hi, my name is Dennis, and my main focus of this channel is to help people with their personal finances and help them save money, mainly targeting millennials, people younger than that. So if you guys fit in that category, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more content. And with that being said, we'll just jump right into the video. And usually the first segment is the news, but there isn't too much news that I want to go over this week, and I kind of want to keep this video short because I want to get it out before Thanksgiving. And if with that being said, happy Thanksgiving to everyone. Hope you guys have a really good Thanksgiving and are staying safe. I know a lot of different states, cities, and counties that are having different set of rules on how to gather together for this holiday. It's really unfortunate that some states aren't able to have more than, I think it's like 2 or 3 different family households in one place, and they have to leave by 10 o'clock and still have mask on, and if possible be outdoors. So if that's the case, I hope you guys all stay safe, and if possible, try not to go see other family gatherings, just stay in your household. I know Thanksgiving is one of the big holidays where we all gather together and kind of have dinner and, you know, spend time with each other. But, you know, there's gonna be other Thanksgivings that we can do this when everything is back to normal. And you don't want to be the reason why the virus is spreading. They call this holiday like the super spreader because it's like really cold weathers and a lot of family gatherings, and you know, one person having it can give it to the whole family, and then, you know, it just branches off from there. So if you guys do have large gatherings, hopefully you guys are able to social distance and have outdoors. Kind of have it in the morning time where it's a little warmer, so you guys can eat outdoors. But yeah, all in all, just hope you guys all stay safe. And with that being said, we'll just jump right into the video. So we're gonna log in here. So last week we're week 29. We're at $18,635. I've been kind of seeing how the market's been going. I think it's been going up, so hopefully this week we're at around 19, that'll be great. Another big topic that I want to talk about, but we didn't have time, was Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. It's been trending super upward. It's been going up like 10 to 15% for the last couple of days. It jumped from 15 to 18 within like 2 weeks. So we'll go over that next week when we have more time. But let's see what we have here for week 30. Hopefully we're at 19. Ooh, and yes, we're at 19,037. So on top of the $200 deposited, we are also up $200. That's really, really great. I wonder what it is. Hopefully it's a work from home pie where it's kind of like growing back to where it was before. But yeah, let's look at the portfolio and then we'll jump to the pies. So we're at current value of $19,037.22. Total gain of $3,019.33, up 23.99%. There's exactly 5 weeks left into this challenge, and if everything just goes normal, 5 times 200 is $1,000, and that'll be 20,000 at the end of the year. So I just need to keep constant right now, and like I said, the total return needed to be around 24%, 25% for me to reach 20,000. 25% gain for a year is a lot of money. It's super hard to get 25% gain. You would hope for 5 to 10% gain on a good year. For 25% gain, that's kind of insane. I know there's not the correct return due to like them doing a weighted analysis, but we'll check into the holdings where it actually shows you the real return, not the weighted return. So we'll go that in near the end of the video. So let's go to the first pie here. So the first pie is the aggressive ETF pie, for a total value of $9,524.85, up $1,592.32, up 25.45%. Let's go inside. So whoa, VB's up at 41%. That's insane. So I believe VB went up another 5-6%. Yeah, everything. Well, the VWO is at 35%. That's crazy. They're both higher than VOO, which is up 25%, which is pretty insane. The market being up 25%. That's what happens when you buy the dip, due to you know, what happened in March. So let's go over the week here, and the week actually didn't gain that much. It's actually only up 1.7%, up 0.44% for the 2 biggest ones. So I guess last week I just didn't realize that it was already above 35%. VWO gained another 1.7, meaning that last week it was around 39%, and VWO was around 34%. VOO fell a little bit from last week. It fell 1.37%, so last week it was at 27%. That's pretty insane. Overall, can't complain here for this pie. Not much else to see said here. Just hopefully it just maintains. Don't fluctuate. I'll make it, man. Let's go next pie. Next pie is Dividend Hunting Pie. We're at a total value of $4,780.09, up $951.80, up 31.04%. Let's go inside. So this pie, all the stocks are above 25%. Let's look at the last week here. Last week, AGNC went up 2.59%. DHY went up 3.14%. GOF went up 1.35%. I don't understand how these stocks keep going up. It's kind of crazy. Nothing else much to say about this pie either. Let's go back to the next pie. Last pie is work from home pie. We're a total value of $4,732.28, up $372.52, up 9.93%. Let's go inside. So we see here Zoom is at 65.81%. I believe this came up. I think last week it was like 50 something percent. DocuSign's back up 9.53%. Check is still negative 4.42%, and Microsoft went down this week 2.25%. I believe this was positive last week. Let's look at the week overall. Yeah, Chegg went up 5.05% and Microsoft fell 3.02%. So last week this was up around 3%, and this was down 9%. So yeah, you see Zoom here went up another 7.8%, and DocuSign went up another 4.34% over the week. Let's go back to the whole portfolio, look at the week view. So Dividend Hunting Pie went up $92.50 overall, and Work From Home Pie went up $126.98 overall. So it's a little over $200 here, and then minus the aggressive ETF pie, that's where you get exactly around $200, give or take some couple dollars. But let's look over the activity here. So last week was the 16th. We just have to deposit for the week $200, and then the morning trade. Wonder what happened here where it didn't trade the whole $200. Only it's off by 4 cents. Yeah, I don't know what happened here because usually they buy the stocks by in fractional shares, so it should be the full 200 all the time, no matter what happens. I do have 6 cents of cash balance here, so I don't know what's going on with that, but I'm not really gonna complain to them. Hey, where's my 4 cents at? So yeah, let's go to the whole things here. So we look real quick on our unrealized gains here. It's 16.3%. So I guess that was the number that I needed to hit for us to hit 20,000 in the year, about 17%. That's still pretty hard to get. It's like I said, anything above 5% to 10% is like a really good year for you. And obviously this was a normal year, so I can't really tell you proof, but based on my past experience with my Roth IRA and stuff like that, it's usually about 5 to 10%. And if you hit like 20%, you're like God mode. Like that year was like super well. Like last year where Trump made the stock market like super insane, that was like a 20% year. But yeah, usually it's around 5 to 10% on a normal year. If not, sometimes you lose money because of it being a bad year. But let's see the top 3 here. So Zoom still being in first place. I don't think it's ever going to be overtaken because 64.89% is just too insane. And the next one is VB at 28.54%, and next one is VWO at 26.88%. 1, 2, 3. So the top 4 are still Vanguard stocks. VOO was at 5th place, right under VEA, but I guess due to last week being a little negative, it fell a little bit. Still 18.61%. I'm not complaining, but AGNC and DHY overtook VOO. I think last week it was like the 4 Vanguard stocks and then the 4 Dividend Hunting Pie. Pretty good. Let's look at the bottom 3 here. So bottom 3 is Chegg, Microsoft, and SHY. I don't know why I keep SHY. It's like $86 and never freaking change. It's just there. So Chegg being down 3.40%, Microsoft being down 0.57%, and then SHY being down 0.19%. I'm glad to say that those are only 3 negative stocks, and SHY is the one that always like flip-flops, so I don't really care for that one. The last couple of weeks, Microsoft has been also flip-flopping about 3 to 5% positive and 3 to 5% negative, so that's why it's around 0.57% right now. I don't know what's going on Microsoft, man. Hopefully it doesn't keep going down over the Christmas break. Chegg is kind of regaining its ground here. I did invest into Cheggs on my personal Robinhood account, so I'm glad that that went up as well. I bought the dip, and since then it's been kind of going up. DocuSign, I didn't buy any, unfortunately. I felt like it was just too expensive for me to buy more of a single stock than Chegg. In hindsight, DocuSign was probably a better investment just because it had a better gain overall, but I was able to buy more Chegg, so that's going to have more leverage in the future if it does like skyrocket. But both I still think is a pretty good stock. I did go ham on Bitcoin. I dropped 25,000 on Bitcoin, but that's for another video. Maybe the next video there isn't too much news, I'll talk about Bitcoin. But Bitcoin's been going insane, and I'm pretty glad I dropped money on that. But that's pretty much gonna wrap it for today's video. Let me know down below how you guys are spending your Thanksgiving. Are you having a huge family gathering, or are you having just a small household gathering? Either or, hopefully you guys are all staying safe. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you guys liked the video, subscribe to the channel for more content, and ring the notification bell for all the updates. And I'll see you guys next one. Bye.